In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Elementor effortlessly. Saving your progress as you design your website is crucial to ensure that none of your hard work is lost and that you can pick up right where you left off at any time. So, let's dive into this simple yet vital process. When you're working in Elementor, you'll typically see a toolbar at the top of your workspace. This toolbar provides you with a range of options to manage your progress and publish your work. Now, to make sure that you're not losing any changes as you create or edit a web page, saving drafts is a key function you'll want to use. To start, position your attention towards the top right-hand corner of this toolbar. You'll notice a button that usually says Publish or Update, depending on whether you're creating a new page or editing an existing one. Next to this button, there is a small arrow icon pointing downwards. This little arrow is more useful than it might initially appear, as it provides you with an additional menu that serves as your lifeline for saving work. Go ahead and click that arrow. Upon clicking, a drop-down menu appears with several options, allowing you to manage the status of the page you're working on. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Save Draft. Selecting this option is your key action here, as it ensures that all of your current changes are securely stored as a draft. This step essentially creates a snapshot of your web page in its current state, allowing you to return later, publish later, or continue working when you're ready. It's particularly helpful if you're not yet ready to present your changes live, or if you just need a break before continuing. Always remember, saving as a draft does not make your changes visible to the public, giving you the freedom to experiment and perfect your design without any pressure. This method can really ease the creative process by allowing you to refine your ideas over multiple sessions. A little tip to keep in mind. It's a good habit to save drafts periodically. Not only does it safeguard against unexpected computer shutdowns or browser crashes, but it also provides you with peace of mind, letting you focus on your creative flow. Now, you are fully equipped with the knowledge to save drafts in Elementor, ensuring that all your hard work remains secure and accessible whenever you choose to come back to it. By following these steps each time you make a change, you'll be taking an important step in managing your website design effectively. Thanks for tuning in, and happy editing with Elementor.